How many of you remember Bondex? This very project is the one I'm talking about. So let me tap. Okay, I'm already mining, right? So we mined this project for a couple of years and done a couple of campaigns as well. And as we speak, Bondex is listed and trading on top exchanges. So their airdrop claiming mode was shared. I made a tutorial showing how you can claim your Bondex, but then it required you claim over a period of time. The tokens will be linearly unlocked and then you need to claim. So you have the option to either wait or keep claiming in bits, which for every claim you will be paying some amount of gas fees and stuff. So let's go check what I have available and how we can claim. So we're on OKX. My wallet has been automatically connected. So here is my claimable. This is my allocation from season 1 plus Bunny Blitz, right? Bunny Blitz is one event I participated in. So my total claimable at the moment, this is how much has been unlocked, right? Is 431, and then 259 is still locked. That's from my total of 690 BDXN. So how much is this, right? So it says you do not have enough native tokens to execute transactions. You need to have more than 0.003 ETH in your wallet. Okay, I don't have up to that. All right, so I've funded the wallet. So now I have 0.0006. Let's go try again. All right, so now I have the required gas fee amount on the wallet, and now the claim your tokens button is live. So let's tap on it. So the fee is like 30 cents, right? Let's confirm it. Alright, so I have successfully claimed, right? So now another thing you need to do is to add the Bondex token on your wallet, else you can't even find it under your assets in your portfolio. So this button will help you do that. So let's click on import BDNX to wallet. So there is the contract address, the network and the decimals. Click on confirm. You have added the valid contract address. Now let's go back to the wallet. Look at these. It says you have 431 BDXN currently worth 7.91 US dollars. So where can you trade it? A lot of exchanges are already trading Bondex. I mean the big boys in the crypto exchange world, the likes of Bybit. This is Bybit, right? So from here you can click on deposit crypto. Then you enter a search for BDXN. It's already in my history. So the network is Ethereum, right? Minimum deposit is 0.1. So you select it, copy the address, bring it over, click on it, you click on send, you paste the wallet address, click on confirm, max, confirm. There's going to be a gas fee of 10 cents, right? In ETH. Confirm it, verify with fingerprint. It's confirming, right? So all my years of farming Bondex have yielded this right here. 7.78 USD worth of BDXN. At least it's better than nothing, isn't it? So that's what's up. So if the price is okay for you, you can go on ahead and claim yours as well. But if you do not have any need for it, you might as well leave it. So the current price of 1 BDXN is 0.018, right? That's less than 2 cents. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much. This is a reminder. If you have forgotten about Bondex, I think you can go and claim by now. You must have unlocked some reasonable amount, right? So thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.